Hello everyone. I wanted to go to sleep, but I came across this video. You know, I've been saying this. Please, before you marry any woman, evaluate her. Before you have any courtship, evaluate the kind of woman you want to have something to do with. This is heartbreaking. This is a heartbreaking moment for this man. Imagine coming back to your house, finding out that your property has been thrown out because your wife used your property as a collateral. Hey! Many. You guys don't have longevity. You guys do not have longevity in this life. The only thing that will give you a long life is a woman you marry. A woman you marry, a woman you marry, a woman you marry. You know, when I talk, I don't tell you, say, stay away from a shower. Any woman that live a fake life, all she's worried about is her fake hair, her bleaching cream, how she will please the world, and she has nothing to contribute in your marriage. Run for your life, oh. Una know they live long go past women. Women, they live long go past ona. I keep saying this. Before you go into courtship, have some discussion with any woman you want to have anything to do with. You know, I keep saying this. Una no go here. Some people where believe say Ogechi get bad mouth. No go listen to an advice that coming from a wise woman. You know, say common sense okay get them. I don't denounce. I don't tell ona. But una no one here. Because you don't like who Ogechi talked about the other day. Because you don't like how Ogechi approached some certain things. Because he want to control me. Want to control an adult. And when the pure truth to come out, when I will start telling you things that will better your life, you no one hear them. Because it's coming from Ogechi. I just pity you. I just pity you. No marry because of a woman use filter meet you on TikTok. You see those people where they live fake life. Run for na life. If you don't want to use them for nyash them they pass your way. They are only good for nyash. They can never give you peace. Now you go pay me tomorrow. Now tomorrow you go pay me. Now let me give you another part because I'm about to play a video that will shock you. I wanted to go home. I wanted to go sleep because tomorrow my work resume. I came across this video. I could not withstand it. You see all this flashy upon us. All this one where they live fake life, where they bleach their skin. If you know sabi any woman where they bleach, look here. Some men sometimes they are confused. They don't even know who they bleach. They don't know who they bleach. Look at their skin when there is no makeup. Any woman where they see all this, let them. You see how they look natural. Then they call me say, okay, I know the dress. They always use Angela Nwosu. You see the common sense where that woman gets. If they see them, they leave all this painty. Follow me, they go. This video is a heartbreaking one. What kind of a woman do you marry? What kind of a woman is your choice? A woman that will send you to your early grave? A woman that has nothing to contribute in your life than live a fake life? Ah! Hey! Let me save this video before I miss it. Because you know, say Facebook sometimes. You know, go see where the video end up. Wow. If you don't like una here, if you don't like make una know here. I go to preach am. Things are really happening. Hey! A man came back. All he could see is where banks sent police officers to come and evict him from his house. Because his wife have used their house to borrow money without the man knowing what is happening. Carry the man property, go borrow loan. because they want to live like other women. When your wife start hanging out with all these women where they do uniform, run from your life. There is no gain in Ishiagu. There is no gain in Ishiagu. Wait, let me show you this. I hope this video find you right. Pay close attention. Learn from it.
So,
because tomorrow,
I'm laughing.
because tomorrow you may be victim. You may not know this man now, but learn from his own predicament. This is a nice song. I feel for him. Even looking at the man, you know, say, where this man go start again? Where this man go start again?
My house.
Anytime where you want dates, the level of a woman, the way they reason, now waiting should draw you close to him. Always ask it, where do you see yourself from? What is your short time goal and your long time goal? Where do you see yourself from now? A lot of women no get common sense. Now, why they are showers. You know, so they know they take eye see me because I can tell them the truth. Majority of them are failed mothers, failed women. Show them their life history. They show Malaysia, by Italy, by different part of the world and end up somewhere. When they end up US or they end up Canada, you think say nala you. Their body count is untouchable. Be warned though. Be warned. Because tomorrow you may end up, hey, I like her. She carry big breasts. I like her. She dey shine. Now your early grave, you just they draw close. You know how I dey do my own. I will always tell you the truth. Truth is very bitter. And don't are they right to find somebody like me. Any woman or in a gadibia, run for your life. Any woman, her life is good get a working. Learn from Agwanyo. Agwanyo kwa maya. Agwanyo woma. Wanyi ga noni ogenye na diari, ogenye ne diari. Oga care about who ne di eche na onani a person where they exist. Run from your life, oh. I'm advising you. I'm speaking in parable. It's all about her. Balago, some people say, I did not come here to take care of anybody, but their mother and their father, they will not resist to take care of them. It's all about them. Now, a woman that goes to Dibia, zere. In Agago Dibia, some of you guys in Agadibia, Kono Gabarego, Kehiwan in Agadibia. When Agadibia Kobu mad, any woman in Mary, anything to do with Geshin or Galadibia and Bonenona, Balagao, in with Geshia. Nina like a pie dibia. Just what the woman actually settle down on. Listen and watch. I want you to live a long life. You know, say when I know they have longevity. Now women they live past woman. Before you, even if you marry the woman will be the same age, now you go come before them. I don't know. That's how God made it. I'm telling you the truth though. Wait, watch.
I'm live in my house. Yes, let the whole world see. I'm live in my house. No, now I am live in my house. And they said my wife collects loan from a property I don't know. And they send people to come and get me. Oh God, I will die. That's not a problem. Don't talk to me too. No, forget about me. So this is what is happening live in my house as Sabari layout. My wife said she collected the property and then they came and they are throwing my things out without my... So yeah, this is what is happening live and direct in my house. So
imagine,
yeah, the whole world is
imagine how much is this property. Imagine what this man has suffered to get to this level. Property na your mates. This kind of house now, where this man suffered build na your, imagine how much this woman went and collected. Hey! Oh, if this man survived this thing, now by his grace. If this, imagine, you want to make such move and you did not consult your husband. You did not inform this man that this is the kind of thing I want to do. Oh, one hey! Nothing can make a man today pass bad wife. You see, you did not inform your husband, the head of the family. In my adage where I come from, they said, anything where you hear tell your husband no fit hate you. That is what I just said. How can you make such dramatic decision? This man, not today where you kill this man, oh, you know they live again. Not today you permit this man. Tell me something that I will plan today. My husband will not be aware. What is my plan in the marriage? Fear some women, oh. see all these prostitutes. Go marry them because they nyash you and the thing sweet you. You don't remember where you come from. And you come carry and put. They know they think tomorrow. Now to destroy, vanish. They won't wear the latest hair. Hair will not be investment. That is their life. They won't rub the best cream. Upon I go the age, instead they think about cream weighing go up. Knowing that the body is weighing down. Instead of you to think about your future, you are still thinking about the cream where you go up for your body. I just a pity on her. Make on a watch.
I don't have any details with anybody, court proceedings. Said my wife borrowed money and the next thing they say she used my document as collateral. And then they are coming to eject me, throwing my things out from the house without my consent.
Let me start from the beginning.
I'm live in my house. Yes, let the whole world see. I'm live in my house.
Hey.
No, now I am live in my house. And they said my wife collects loans.
Please help me share this video. Help me share it to save someone out there.
And get me. Or God, I will die.
No.
That's not a problem. Don't talk to me too. No, forget about me. So this is what is happening live in my house at Sabari layout. My wife said she collected the property, and then they came and they are throwing my things out without my. So yeah, this is what is happening live and direct in my house. So yeah, the whole world is watching. I don't have any details with anybody, court proceedings. Said my wife borrowed money and the next thing they say she used my document as collateral. And then they are coming to eject me, throwing my things out from the house without my consent. Yeah, hello. Yeah, you can see my things are thrown out. This is the house. And these are the things thrown out already. These are the things. So these are my things thrown out. My wife, Christiana from Morocco, says she loan from the bank without my consent. I don't know. And then they came today to throw my things out without my consent. So that is her. That is her. But there's no problem. That's her going there. And these are the things outside there. She came with Air Force personnel too. She has been using them as bodyguards. Look at them there. So it's not a problem. She's been using them always in the house to harass me. Look at them there. So it's not a problem. Look at her. And then look at, she said she collected a loan. And you can all see. So it's not a problem. Look at the things. Look at the things. Every of my things thrown out. She said she collected the loan without my consent. And these are the things there. So let the whole world see. So this is. That's it. You can see. I just stayed and they said she collected loan. This is a document. They say they brought. So these are the things. So it's not a problem. So no problem. Okay. Thank you. Honey, I'm live in my house.
And I don't see life. Man. Hey. If this man now carry AK-47 or carry anything now, go permit this woman. Somebody go say the man is wicked. You first of all permit this man. Now today or whatever, any day that thing happen, now that day you permit that man. You think that this man will survive again? Did you hear what that man keep repeating? There is no problem. There is no problem. There is no problem. Did you hear what that man said? He keep repeating, there is no problem, there is no problem. And you think there is no problem. Hey! Our women are something else. Hey! Ya wuru nwoke mere ihe a na. Say na man do this thing now. This word will come down. Maybe you don't date one man. The man can't deceive him, say make him use him, go get money. Say the man a useless man. The man don't mean anything. He can't collect money, go give the man. The man can use him, disappear. Because if he borrow money, because I believe, because Nigerian bank have been asking me to come borrow money. For how many? Even the last time they told, I said it here one day, they told me to come and that I'm eligible to collect 100 million naira. I don't even talk to them. This year, they send me again that I'm qualified to collect 150 million. Because they now have property that I can use for collateral. Did I do it? Hell no. Because I'm not in need of the money you are telling me to come and collect. I'm not in need of the money you are telling me to come and collect. Now, if you borrow money from the bank, what I'm aware of, if you borrow money now, what they will do is they will schedule you how much you'll be paying monthly. Now, if you borrow money with that kind of a house, at least, let me just estimate it to 50 million or 80 million with that kind of property. Because what you borrow is they will first of all evaluate the property before you borrow the money. Now, you borrow this kind of money. You trust me. This case now, see a papa come out from social media. You will see where the money ended up. Is in a man's house. He don't give them to one man. The man don't carry him wrong. They enjoy with, and you know, say all these old women, all these sugar mommy, they quickly deceive them. When they see this fine boy, when they give them where they have their brain know they articulate very well. That is what you get when you marry an ashawo. When you marry a woman that doesn't have brain. You see, I keep telling you guys the truth and nothing but the truth. Hey! Do you think that this man will live up to another 2 years? Even BP at this age, maybe this man is suffering from high blood pressure or suffering from one disease to another, and they come and increase them. It is everybody where they work, people where they for Facebook, anybody they were. People are battling with the health issues. People are going through a lot, but they will still there under their sickness. They comment. Family problems are much. That's why you see some people, they come here, they come join all this useless page. They release your brain, their pressure, their depression. People are passing through family issue, but when they see you, they want to give you their family wahala. Bad woman will end your life. You see, when you see some men, when they marry woman, you go see things that keep going. Because any woman will marry a man, if you don't have interest at heart of that man will be young. That is why anytime my husband travel, now that time he dey miss me pass. Now that time he dey miss me pass. Every morning, afternoon, he go to call me. 24/7 he go, they call me. Because he knows that I care about him. Oh man, everything I want in this life, he knows. Everything I will do for my husband to be better than everybody in this world, I will do it. But some of these women, they will be thinking about how to better their boyfriends than their husband. They'll be thinking about how to better their... My husband is my God. Everybody knows I know they play with him. He's my everything. He's the reason why I am proudly saying that I am better than millions of ashawos waiting for blue up. He completes me. He's my complimento. You understand what I'm saying? Any woman where you marry, he know they put you at first. If he go somewhere, spend 2 days, he go to pray to God to make you stay there. That woman go pay you. As I was talking to you now, before I go sleep, I go call my husband. Because I'm not very protector in this country. So we have special way to communicate with them. And here, we get women, but wives are hard to find. Wives are hard to find. Imagine. Can you hear? This man again make collect loan. Collect loan. Which kind evil work be this? Anyway, on social media we did. The woman go come out one day, come tell her own story. And we go find out what did happen. But for me, my own, I just talk am now. No matter what, before you use anybody property, they collect anything. Tell her. Tell her. We live in a world that nobody give a shit about. But if you marry a woman that loves you for, regardless of who you are, value that woman. Value her. All this is where they see. How many marriages still they work for America? Some people go bring their husband today, or they go bring their wife today. Tomorrow they go divorce. Some people go marry today. They live happily. As soon as they enter here, after their nursing school, they go divorce. They no say, you no fine again. You are not my class. But that time you did with that man was your class. You was trolling everything that coming out. In fact, can God just divorce and destroy anything, man? Because it doesn't work anymore. People don't value what they have anymore. Now that akata we go the nyashu. Akata buliegi ya dokosagine ilutabo somewhere. Uronia no miya go. This she dimana kwa me moto. The akata skatake. Digging up guys, then they lay as no, that's no man business. One idiot where they are or feeble. Nobody saw you when you was in Nigeria suffering. Nobody saw you when you was in village suffering. As soon as you don't come here, now then they go then see you. Nobody sees. And when you gonna go? Hello? Don't worry about it. Continue doing what you're doing. Don't worry about it. Okay? Do what you're doing. No. It's okay. Just do what you're doing. Don't worry about it. You don't need to call me, okay? Just do what you're doing. Iwotala. And then they go know their rights. Then you go to find out, say, the man, say the man don't have all these values, all these qualities. You don't have it. You don't know that they have it. You don't know that the man does not have it. As soon as you don't enter America, you don't see say the man is not your class anymore. May God have mercy up. And the one thing about these people is that as soon as they leave the man, the person they go date, now then go they feed them all. Now then go they feed the man. All they need is just that rubbish satisfaction. Amu digana he kweli, gacho ihe gana ekwe amu. do some research. Nyere ya kokwewe. Too much work here na adamu. Too much stress na adamu. A lot of stress here they peme amu. If you experience such problem, look for a way for solution, because that is not how he was when you met him. Why can't you help him and find a way to get his bola up? But you define for bola where you dey nyash since they marry you. But if you know they work again, just delete them. Must you nyash? If nyash no green nyash, go buy vibrator. They use them. Tell your husband, say, baby, as this one know they work now, make we go buy the one where you go, they help me use your hand to do them. That anything can happen where there is love. Anything can happen where there is communication and love. You see all these group and companies who join this person, join now then go destroy your marriage. I don't have much to say. I just want to make her bring them to the table. Fear who no fear women. Bye bye.